here we're mounting the 4005 fixture. You can see it just, there's about 5 inches of thread. Pretty smoothly mounts on. Definitely only mount this vertically. Do not mount this with the pole laying sideways, as you could cross thread it easily. But if you get a vertical, the thread should be really smooth like this. And then next we'll mount the fixture top on. Now we're mounting the top on. You see it just sets on top, and there's 2 set screws that's going to be mounted.
It could be another new one.
So does that just screw through into a, is it into a threaded hole? Yep. Okay. So pretty simple setting, and you have the top piece mounted into your base. Standing right next to a 4002. This one you can see it's a little taller. I believe it's on the 9.5 foot pole, so it's about a 1.5 foot longer, I believe. But the spec details are on the web.